I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the kit contents and power match. This prevents damage. First, lay out the Jhalar strip and controller where it will run, measure cable length and note where connectors sit. Next, connect the adapter to the controller loosely, don't secure it yet, so you can power up briefly. Once connected, power on to verify the strip lights up and that color and mode controls respond. Make adjustments to placement and note any faulty segments before final mounting. Once verified, turn power off and make permanent connections. Align polarity and data arrows on the strip and connectors. Mismatches either dim or prevent control, so double-check. If joints are exposed, solder or use reliable clamps, then insulate with heat shrink tubing for strain relief. Mount the controller where it can breathe and where the remote or Wi-Fi has line of sight. Placing it behind heavy metal or inside sealed boxes can reduce signal. Finally, secure the strip with clips or mounting tape, keeping connectors accessible for service. Power up for the final check and watch closely. Uniform brightness and correct colors mean success. Flickering or dead segments indicate wiring or a faulty LED section. Test every mode, dim level, and any app or remote control functions so you catch issues now. If something fails, power off immediately and isolate the problematic segment, swap connectors, test continuity with a meter, and verify the adapter's output voltage. One key tip: if only a section is dead, replacing that section or its connector usually fixes it without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.